Hello, and welcome back to our partner training series presented by ServingIntel for your point of sale system. In today's video, we will continue to discuss and explain the operations of your customer loyalty program. More specifically, we will pick up where we left off in our previous video, where we learned how to access and configure our customer transaction report. And today we will go through that report and look at the different sections and explain each of them. So let's take a look at the report we generated last time. Now, you will notice that there are no actual amounts listed for our loyal guests, and that is due to the fact that this report was generated from a demo database without any real sales. But for our purposes of defining columns, it will work just fine. So let's take a look. And as you can see, there are 9 different columns here. The first one is the check column. This is the check number assigned to each individual sale for each guest. The next column is the customer number, and that is the number assigned to each customer as they were entered into our loyalty program. Next, we see the customer name, which is self-explanatory. And after that, we see the column entitled Food. This is the total food sales within the food departments that we specified in the food definition box. Remember when we configured the report? Next, we see the same reporting totals, but this time it's for the beverages that we define in our beverage definition box. Then we have the Other column. This is the total sales in departments not selected in the beverage definition or food definition list boxes. After that, we see the gratuity column, and this is where any recorded gratuities would be listed. Then we have the sales tax column, which is the total sales tax added to each sale. And finally, we have our totals column. This is where all the individual columns will be added up by row. And then last but certainly not least, we have our totals row, which totals each column downward. And that's all there is to the customer transaction report. So make sure you click the link below to subscribe to the ServingIntel channel. That way, you can stay up to date on the latest tips, tricks, and new technologies available to you from ServingIntel. And as always, if you encounter any issues with this or any aspect of your system, please call the ServingIntel service desk for 24-hour a day, 7-day a week premium software support by dialing 1-888-477-7711 extension 2. Support tickets can also be generated by sending an email to service@pos.partners, and your support request will be handled quickly and efficiently by one of our highly trained and dedicated support staff members. Thank you for tuning in to our partner learning series, and be on the lookout for more helpful videos and tips coming soon. And most importantly, thank you for choosing ServingIntel for all of your restaurant technology needs.